So Google just came out with this new Pixel phone and it looks really good. As you can see here, the new Pixel, which looks like very different from all the other previous generations and everything, but it is like really top of the line and everything. So as you can see here, these are all the variants it is getting. It is getting a foldable version, a Pixel 11 and this Pro, which is also looks like kind of like the iPhone, considering it has this like bezel, okay, which is like looks very much like the iPhone. I don't know what they did here, okay. Other than that, let's go on to all its features. Let's go to the camera first. As you can see here, so it comes with like as you can see here, all the camera features. It has a insane like 120x zoom, which is like very good, okay. It's gone to a 120x zoom with like and also the fold can go up to like 30x zoom, okay. It has a super zoom. It has really good like low light. As you can see here, our new low light sensor delivers 30% more light sensitivity, okay. So it is better than the previous model by 30%, okay. As you can see here, the low light photos are like really good. It has like steady videos. It has some kind of stabilization built inside, okay, for those cinematic shots and everything. And as you can see here, this is the foldable model. It has this 8-inch inner display with the instant view and high quality rear cameras. So as you can see here, you can capture your photos and videos at the same time. Other than that, it has like different kind of signature look. You can change just like Apple did with like the iPhone and everything, with like giving filters, okay. Other than that, you can like, it has really good AI built in, so it has like very good tracking and everything. So yeah, so other than that, let's go to the design of this. As you can see here, it will go up to like 120x zoom on the Pro models, and captures a video that automatically edits and curate them. So it does it by itself. The moment you take a picture or a video, it will like edit it by itself and put it on your like gallery, okay. It also comes with like Gemini intelligence, as you know. And let's go to the design on this design next. As you can see here, this looks like very much, this camera notch is like, it has three cameras, okay, and this is a Gemini thing, I guess. Other than that, it looks like very sleek. It looks really premium, especially the Pro models, okay. The camera, okay, it has different kind of colors. As you can see here, these are some of the pictures of it. So other than that, as you can see here, this is the foldable version. The fold also looks really good. The color is like, it looks really classy, along with this like kind of this bronze color, which makes it look like very sleek, okay. It has this like it has different kind of color palettes. This is the, I think they are naming it the Canyon, okay. This is the olive green. This is for the Pro. This is the foldable one. The fog, the matte black, yeah. So as you can see here, it goes really well with your other devices, other Pixel devices. So on the other hand, you see this other next generation. It is using the Google Tensor Core with like G6 chip, which is custom built for Google's advanced AI, and it has 50% more computing power than the previous version, I guess. Yeah. So it has it helps with all the, it has the Titan M3 chip, okay, for the for protection of your like data and everything. Other than that, it will get like 7 years of update. So it has also adaptive battery. Learns which apps use the most. So yeah, adaptive battery is just like, it will like prioritize which is the key work to do at the same time. So yeah, so that's about it. Other than that, we can also look in the Pro Fold if you want. So the Fold, as you know, it will be more expensive than the Pro models, but it offers like dual screens, as you can see here, okay. It has like, even in the back of the screen, you can stay informed here, so it will give you notification and everything even if you put it down. It has like, it is 3x stronger. It has like really good protective cover and everything. See, it opens up with this hinge. I think this color looks really sleek, okay. So as you see here, it won't get a 120x zoom, but it will get a 30x zoom. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, guys.